In engineering component, accuracy is the most important criteria, and that is a part of our way of working. It is our customer trust what we have won over the years. My team has done well on that, and we continue to do in the same way and spirit. And that is, I feel, we differentiate from others. Corus is a very old organization. It is almost 90 years now in India. I have been in Corus since 1987, so I know the Corus complete history, all the businesses. We have very detailed study of customer requirements, and we commit what we can do. And we constantly work on delivery, quality, and right cost. Our market is Indian market, of course, but globally we supply to Europe, US. We specialize in brake components, suspension parts, drive shaft parts, differential housings, covers almost 700 varieties of parts.
My name is Sadiq Khan and I am the Chief Operating Officer of Foundry Division of Corus India Limited. Quality at Corus doesn't only mean to meet the intended purpose for which the product is made consistently with zero defect. It also means in Corus to build trust with the customer. We are into brake components which are very safety components, and we have to meet the castings with zero defect not only one time, every time, and we have been doing this for the last 40 years. 3D scanning technology is very important to our industry as we are into manufacturing of very critical parts for the automotive industry. With the complex nature of the castings, we need to have the precise data with speed and accuracy, and that is where 3D scanning technology helps us.
3D स्कैनिंग मशीन से जो हम इंस्पेक्शन वर्नियर कैलिपर या फिर जो अदर इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है, एट्रीब्यूट गेजेस है, उसमें जो हमारे टाइम लगता है इंस्पेक्शन करने में, तो वो इंस्पेक्शन टाइम हम अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. हियर हम कोरस में ट्राई करते हैं कि जो हमारा डिफेक्ट है वो मिनिमम हो या जीरो हो.
Our main focus now is automation of the process, because we believe that we can control the process precisely. My final product quality is going to be very good. But with ZEISS, we found that most of 99% or even 100% accuracy we get the results even with uneven profiles and wavy surfaces. And that is one of the main thing that I think ZEISS is ahead with other technologies.